Welcome to week 4 of Practical AI for SMBs. Today, we delve into AI data, privacy, and ethics. These elements are crucial for small businesses navigating the digital landscape. Let's explore how to leverage AI responsibly while safeguarding data and maintaining ethical standards. Data is the backbone of AI. Quality data enhances marketing, customer service, and product development. However, handling personal information requires trust. Mishandling data can damage reputations. Today, we'll explore practical ways to manage AI data, privacy, and ethics effectively. Understanding where your AI inputs go is vital. Reputable AI tools ensure your data remains confidential. Be cautious with free versions as they may use your data for training. For SMBs, avoid inputting sensitive data into public AI tools. Always choose secure, business-grade solutions. Who owns AI-generated content? Generally, you have rights to use it, but copyright laws are complex. In many regions, AI-generated work can't be copyrighted unless significantly modified. Treat AI as an employee, direct it, and take responsibility for the final product. As a publisher, you're accountable for AI-generated content. Fact-check relentlessly, as AI can invent information. Use AI as a first draft, adding your expertise. Always check for bias and plagiarism to ensure fairness and originality in your content. Before building AI, understand the fundamentals. AI data. This is the information you feed your AI models. The quality and type of this data directly impact your AI's capabilities and its potential biases. Data privacy. This refers to the protection of personal data from those who should not have access to it and the ability of individuals to control their own information. AI ethics. This is about ensuring that your use of AI is fair, unbiased, and accountable. It's about making sure your AI systems don't perpetuate harmful stereotypes or make decisions that are discriminatory. SMBs face challenges like limited resources and data security. Protecting data from cyber threats is complex. Data quality and bias can lead to incorrect AI decisions. The black box problem makes AI decisions hard to understand, posing ethical and legal issues. Securing data involves ring fencing by creating a secure perimeter. Tools like Microsoft 365 Business Premium offer conditional access, data loss prevention, and device management. These features help protect sensitive information and reduce unauthorized access risks. Building a good AI culture starts with your values. Educate your team on data privacy and ethics. Choose AI partners wisely, ensuring they are transparent and committed to ethical practices. Regularly review systems to check for bias and ensure compliance. Getting AI right enhances customer trust and loyalty. Ethical AI practices improve brand reputation and reduce risks of fines and data breaches, while managed data leads to more effective AI models, benefiting your bottom line and setting you apart from competitors. Key takeaways: be intentional with AI use, focusing on data protection. Invest in security platforms like Microsoft 365 Business Premium. Transparency builds trust with customers. Remember, AI and data management is a journey. Stay informed and adaptable. Next week, we'll talk about how you can kickstart AI implementation within your business. We will identify business pain points AI can address. Talk about how to educate stakeholders on AI benefits, and then show you how to start with a small pilot project to test effectiveness. Let's start this journey together. For AI consulting, visit cloudmadesimple.com/AI consulting. Our team is ready to assist you with AI strategies tailored to your business needs. Contact us for support in Australia, New Zealand, and the UK. Let's make AI work for your business.